Greetings, dear. So I was finally able to unlock the Go Gamble. So I said, let me come and show you exactly how I did it as promised. Okay. Yeah, what I simply did was, like I told you in those videos. So for the mystery quest of 50,000 PAWS, you have to vote with minimum of 500 stars for a particular project among the three. What is the gamble all about? When they say go gamble means you're playing in between. You are not too sure of the exact time. So it is in course of trying to do the voting right here that the option for you to claim the gamble will pop up. Okay, so it is not something you know exactly the time. That's why it is called go gamble. All right, so in other words, you have to be in the process of buying more stars here, in the process of doing more voting here, and then this will randomly pop up. An option for you to claim this 25,000 stars will pop up. So that's what the Go Gamble is all about. That is just it, guys. So this is how I did it. I kept spending stars. I kept spending stars, buying stars, spending stars until I was able to unlock it, just to show you exactly how it's done. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more immediate and mysterious updates from here.